gaano kataas yung win rate ng ating indicator para lang meron silang idea.
Ito sa side na to, risk-reward ratio.
Okay.
So, ibig sabihin, nagbabago siya. This is intended for manual traders. Pero once it hit all those profit levels, maganda yung tinatawag na.
Para transparent tayo sa audience, gaano kataas yung win rate ng ating indicator para lang meron silang idea.
Papansinin mo siya na kinocompute ng AI. Ito, may risk-reward na yan mismo dito. Take profit 1, 1 is 2, 6.9, 2 for 6, 4.2 in each trade. For example, you get that buy, you hit the TP1, you are getting 2.6 dito sa side na to, risk-reward ratio.
Okay.
So, ibig sabihin, nagbabago siya. The reason why it is computed that way, Coach Mark, this is intended for manual traders. Kasi meron din tayong automated.
Yeah.
Meron din tayong shadow technique. For gold, nakafocus tayo on manual trading. Newbie ka, sundan mo lang yung mga broken lines na yan. You will get us at the ease. Saan papunta yung market?
Yeah.
Tinaman yung stop loss, hindi stop loss. It's okay. You
Yeah.
get the risk of one. Pero once you hit all those profit levels, maganda yung tinatawag na risk reward nila.